Estimating time for electrical work is crucial for project planning and bidding. This involves estimating the time for running conduit, pulling wire, and terminating connections. These rules of thumb can help speed up the process. When estimating conduit running time, a general guideline is used. For rigid or intermediate metal conduit, allocate approximately 1 minute per foot. For electrical metallic tubing, or EMT conduit, plan for about 0.5 minutes per foot. When dealing with flexible conduit, estimate around 0.25 minutes per foot. Next, consider the time required for pulling wire. For single-phase wire, allocate about 1 minute per foot. For three-phase wire, factor in approximately 1.5 minutes per foot due to the increased complexity of managing multiple conductors. Finally, calculate the time for termination. For terminating a single gain box, set aside roughly 2 minutes per box. When terminating a 2-gain box, allocate around 3 minutes per box. And when terminating a 4-gain box, plan for approximately 5 minutes per box. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you need to estimate the time required to run 50 feet of rigid conduit, pull 30 feet of single-phase wire, and terminate 5 single-gain boxes. Firstly, estimate the conduit time. 50 feet of rigid conduit at 1 minute per foot equals 50 minutes. Secondly, estimate the wiring time. 30 feet of single-phase wire at 1 minute per foot equals 30 minutes. Thirdly, estimate the termination time. 5 boxes at 2 minutes per box equals 10 minutes. Therefore, the total estimated time for this project is 50 minutes for the conduit, plus 30 minutes for the wiring, plus 10 minutes for the termination, totaling 90 minutes. These are rules of thumb, and actual times may vary based on experience, job site conditions, and other factors. Always factor in additional time for unforeseen circumstances.